रोटी खुल गई है। गुड मॉर्निंग, दिस इज़ ट्यूसडे 26 और यहाँ पे शादी हो रही है इस वक्त और सारे मेहमान आ रहे हैं। शादी असल में 27 को है, लेकिन कुछ लोग 26 को ही आगे मिल के चले जाते हैं क्योंकि उनके स्केड्यूल का इशू आता है। तो अभी आपको दिखाता हूँ। हेलो, हाउ आर यू? तो यहाँ पे भी बच्चों के गुब्बारे। So guys, I have to let you know here in advance that from in this whole vlog there will be a lot of voiceover. The reason is that there is continuously background music is playing, and because of the copyright I cannot play that as well. Also there is another reason, there is so much noise in the background, so you can't hear my voice even though I was using a mic there, but there was so much noise I can't tell you. So here we are, I am going into the home. So it is one day before the marriage, and this is the mother of the bride. She asking me, are you tired? And that's the auntie of the bride. She asking me tired, and I told her no, I'm not tired, I'm fine, thank you very much. So let me tell you some insight about the Indonesian culture of marriage. So marriage is like, okay, you have one day which is the marriage day, but before that they start preparing and the guests started to come because they have their own schedule and they all guests cannot come on the day of marriage. So they came one day earlier or 2 days earlier, meet you, greet you. If they want to give you some gifts, they give you the gift, then they eat and they go back. And sometimes, not sometimes, I think most of the time, the bride's mother give the guests some gift. In that gift, it could be like some rice, some noodles, some biscuits and snacks like that. So this is how it works. So you can say like the marriage continues for 3 days. Oh, these were the uncles of the bride, and they asked me especially to take their footage. They are very helping and energetic and enthusiastic guys and funny guys. I really had a great time with them. So as you see, in this marriage it was expected that 1000 people will come. So I thought how 1000 people gonna be like arranged in one day in this setting, but then I realized that the marriage gonna happen in 3 days, but the main function will be on one day. So this is how it works. 2 days earlier some guests will come, and on the day of marriage most of the guests will come. So like you can say 500 guests will come 2 days earlier and 500 will come on the day of the marriage. Alright, so on that table before that you seen there were snacks, there were crackers. On this table you have chicken, beef, mutton, potato chips, fruits, soup, bananas, water, and you can have it and enjoy it. Here some aunties are dancing and playing music. Music is very much like embedded in the culture of Indonesia. They like to play songs, they like to sing songs, they like to dance. Alright, I would like to tell you about these women. These are really hardworking women and really good. This corner belongs to the kitchen area. Oh, this auntie brought her girl to me and she asked me to kiss her. Yeah, she was so cute. And so I was telling about yeah she was really funny, she was really good and surprised to see me. So this I was telling about, this is the kitchen corner. There we have the raw vegetables and meat and everything, onions, preparation going on. They really put their like burn their midnight oil in preparing all this food. Kudos to them, hats off to them. They really work really hard and to manage this such huge crowd and providing them food. You see, food is so much in Indonesian culture, you just can't imagine. You just go there and they will bring so many foods in front of you and ask you to makanan. Makanan means eat. They just want you to eat a lot. And if you are coming to Indonesia, wherever you go, you have to eat. Otherwise, they sometimes feel bad about it because this is their culture to feed their guests and any guest. So here they ask the bride to come on the stage and sing a song for her groom on a karaoke. So because of the policy of YouTube copyrights, I cannot play that song what she's singing. Anyways, you can see she's smiling, she's happy and enjoying and singing the lyrics. So she's singing the song and enjoying it and looking at his groom nearby, and that is the outlook. The weather today is so pleasant, the clouds all over the sky, and here is makanan. Makanan means food. People are eating, they have a lot of food. Food is not gonna end here no matter what, and this buffet will continue till night, like 7 to 8 p.m. and after that there will be a whole music party. So these girls are enjoying, blowing kiss to me, thank you, and she's still in her joy singing the song. So the singing is finished and now we're back into the business. Food, also known as makanan in Indonesia. One thing is for sure, if you come to Indonesia, there is no chance that you are gonna die of hunger. There is ample plenty of food to eat from. 1, 2, 3. So here I would like to add that one night before this day, there was a meeting by the people of this city, and they selected a leader who's gonna take care of all this arrangement and management. There was a guy for finance, the guy for catering, the guy for like everyone was given some task by that committee. I'm gonna put the video there and I'm gonna let you know what's going on. अच्छा जी, यहाँ पे शादी की जो है ना रसूमात शुरू हो गई हैं। पंबन तुकन पनीतिया, ये एक सेरेमनी अभी हो रही है। इसमें होता ये है कि ये कमेटी बनाई जाती है और वो एक लीडर चुनती है जो शादी की ओवरऑल जो है ना चीज़ों को और मतलब क्या कह सकते हैं उसको, इंतज़ाम को जो है ना वो संभालेगा। एक लीडर होगा, फिर वो उसके सबऑर्डिनेट्स भी होंगे, ट्रेजरी भी होगी और एक पूरी तरह की कमेटी बनती है यहाँ पे। और इस वक्त जो है ना वो काम जारी है कमेटी का, और आई थिंक आई ट्राई टू, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। तो ये कमेटी बैठी है इस वक्त और डिस्कशन चल रही है, काफ़ी दकीक डिस्कशन चल रही है। about the committee. So the Pembentukan Panitia is the name of the committee, and a little correction. Previously, I told you it is formed on the basis of the people of the whole city. No, it is basically based on the community people. So they are selecting the members who gonna take care of the work in the marriage, who gonna be the taking care of the finance, who is gonna be taking care of the food and different stuff and catering, etc., so on and so forth. So here I think they have selected the committee and they are announcing the name of the committee member. This guy was really funny and he made a lot of fun. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. So the committee member has been announced. There are committee members in men as well as in women. So all the members has been announced, and now after that they recite some verses from Quran, and after that they will make some dua. Dua is like praying to God that the couple will be blessed, and the duties that is given to these committee members will be performed very well by the blessing of God, and that's it. And after that, the thing which Indonesian people love to do is makanan. Here I would like to clarify about makanan. Makanan means food and makan means eat food. So makan is a verb and makanan is a noun. So I sometimes mix these things because I'm not a native and then I am new here, so I'm a little bit confused, so forgive me for that. लीडर चुन लिया गया है और लीडर को बोलते हैं कद्दुआ पनीतिया। और अब जो है ना, जो हमारे हर जगह होता है कि बाजी रोटी खुल गई है, बाजी रोटी खुल गई है। और उसी तरीके से पाकिस्तानियों की तरह हमारे भी पाकिस्तानियों की तरह यहाँ पे भी भाई एंड रोटी ही होता है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, लेकिन थोड़ा यहाँ पे सुकून से। और लाइन बनी हुई है भाई, ये एक बहुत अच्छी बात, दैट्स रियली गुड। लाइन बनी हुई है, इज़्ज़त से खा रहे हैं। और माशाल्लाह मैं आपको थोड़ा दिखाता हूँ, ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगता। तो ये चीज़ एक बहुत अच्छी है कि ये लाइन से ले रहे हैं। एंजॉय ब्रदर। तो कुछ लोग जो है ना माशाल्लाह ले आए हैं और हल्का हल्का सा है और बड़ा अच्छा सीन जा रहा है।